Hey guys, welcome back to Kali Jade's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I made my pumpkin coconut rice. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Kali Jade's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, it's Kali Jade's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's KaliKitchen_1, and go ahead and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So here I have my pumpkin and I remove the skin from the pumpkin. I also have my bell peppers, onion, scallion and garlic. I also have my coconut milk powder, my white rice, and again you can go ahead and use brown rice if you choose. And I also have my butter and salt. I also have water and my pot to cook my pumpkin coconut rice in. So what I will be doing, I will go ahead and add the pumpkin, the bell peppers, the onion, the scallion and also the garlic to the pot. And I will also go ahead and add some water. I'll put it on the stove to cook because I want the pumpkin to get really soft, or I want it to mash out. So I'll just leave it to cook and I'll show you what it looks like while it's cooking and also what it looks like after it has been cooked. So this is what it looks like during cooking. Not soft as yet, but we're going to leave it to cook until it's soft. So guys, this is what it looks like. As you can see, my pumpkin mashed right out in the pot. Alright, so what I'll be doing, I'll go ahead and add the salt and the butter. And I will also go ahead and add the coconut milk powder. Of course, you want your coconut milk powder to cook properly. So I will just allow this to cook for roughly 5 minutes. Then we'll come back and add the rice. Of course, you also want to ensure that it's dissolved properly. So you have to go ahead and combine everything together. Alright. So I will come back and show you guys what it looks like after it has been cooked. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's coming along. You can see that color, that pretty nice color coming along. So now it's time to go ahead and add the white rice. Now, remember, as I said earlier, you can go ahead and use brown rice if you choose. So I will add this to the pot and I will also combine everything together and leave this to cook for roughly 7 minutes. Then I'll come back and show you what it looks like after 7 minutes and what I will do after the 7 minutes. All right. So guys, after 7 minutes, this is what my rice looks like. So I'm just gonna place a piece of foil paper over it so that it will cook properly, or some people would say allow it to steam. So once it's finished cooking, I'll come back and show you what it looks like, and then I'll go ahead and share this up and show you guys. Alright, so this is what my pumpkin coconut rice looks like. Not too shelly, but it can go on. So I'll just share this up with some fried plantain and some baked chicken and show you guys the final product. Alright guys, so this is what my pumpkin coconut rice looks like. As you can see, I served this up with some baked chicken and also some fried plantain. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali Jade's Kitchen. Remember guys to turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.